Okay, I'm going to show you how to post to your blog using those key phrases that I selected for you. Posts are all handled under Post. And to go select a blog post to write about, you're going to click on Post. And when you click on Post, you'll see a bunch of words. These are the key phrases that I selected for you that I uploaded into your dashboard. First thing you're going to do is you're going to select a category to post to. So to do that, you're just going to click the View All Categories drop-down arrow. You'll see a list of categories. Select one and click Filter. Once you click Filter, it'll pull in every key phrase that was submitted to that category. Now these categories are key phrase driven, so just keep that in mind. What that means is I researched the key phrases to actually name the category. So if you ever come across one that has no title, just simply go ahead and delete it. That just means there was a space when I uploaded it, and sometimes those just happen. You're going to select a key phrase that you feel like you want to blog about that day. These are not in order. You can pick whatever you want. Same with the categories. A good rule of thumb is if you're just starting out, I like to go ahead and get one post in each category. So one day I would do one, the next day I would do another, and so on and so forth. If there's one that's really important to you and you feel like you really want to be found for that, that's your main overall key phrase, you can just keep posting to one over and over and over again. That means I would come in, select a category, I would filter it, and I would just be using these key phrases instead of using the other categories in there. I would just use the key phrases given for that category. So now I'm going to go ahead and write my post. So I'm going to select one that I like. I'm going to click Edit. Now I'm in the Post dashboard. And here, this is where we're actually going to write our post. So first things first, this area up here is the title. You can change this, only change it, you can only add text to the beginning, so let's just say our handyman referral service is awesome. So what I did there was I added one word to the beginning and 2 words to the end. Don't ever add words in between, because you will be breaking up the key phrase. Try to not add too many words to the beginning. This will bury your key phrase down, and having it more towards the beginning has added weight in Google. So a rule of thumb, try not to add more than hopefully 4 or so words. I try to keep it pretty close to the beginning. So I've added my title. I can capitalize it if I want to make it look nice, since it is a title. So now we're going to come down to the content area. And here you're just going to start writing your post. So this key phrase is just here to remind you it doesn't have to be the very first thing that you write, although you do want to lay out your post with your key phrase in the beginning, middle, and end, just like a college paper that you write. So you can say, our handyman referral service is awesome because we are the best. Something. So something like that could be like a first sentence. You've got the key phrase in there, it's in the beginning. And you're just going to keep laying out your text. Let's pretend this is the second paragraph and this is the third. We've used our key phrase 1, 2, 3 times. So you want to use it around 3 to 4 times, making it as natural as possible.